an unboxing of the Realme7, and as you can see, the box has hints of yellow and white. On the left hand side you have the branding. Right here is the, on top of the box is the Realme branding. So this is Salman Khan endorsed series. In fact, Salman Khan has just put in his signatures here as well. And let's now see what's inside the box. You get a charger, a charging cable, of course. You've got a cover as well. I like the color. It's got a black hint. It's a plastic case. And a quick start guide with details about how to set up your phone, how to install your SIM and memory card, some warning instructions as well given, how to copy your old content into your new phone, how to reboot your phone, and lots more. And let's take a look at the phone. It's got a matte finished back. You've got a Realme logo at bottom left of the phone. On top left of the phone you have a quad camera setup with the primary camera, like I said, is at 64 megapixels. So that's going to be amazing. They've also mentioned it here, if you can see, 64 megapixels primary camera. And then you have the other sensors. Two of these sensors are 2 megapixels each, and one of the sensors is 8 megapixels. On the bottom of the phone you have a speaker right here, speaker panel right here. Then you've got a charging port and of course an aux cable input. This is the power button, volume buttons, and SIM card port right here. So that's all about the back panel. Let's now see what the screen looks like. So I'm going to just quickly switch it on. Look at the colors. I'm just going to bring it to let's now show you how the colors actually look like. So this is how the original looks like, and this is how this phone's camera looks like. The screen comes alive really. So the colors are bright, crisp, and of course, the saturation is also great, contrast is also great, and I can just zoom in, and despite zooming in quite a bit, it's not appearing to be very grainy. So I think I'll stop it at that, and this is the unboxing of the Realme7. As you can see, I hope you liked it. So that's it in this unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and of course, stay tuned to this space.